friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I have something exciting to share with you all. We will be diving into the world of tubing mascaras, a revolutionary product that promises to give you fuller and longer lashes without any clumps or smudging. So if you're tired of traditional mascaras and want to explore a new way to enhance your lashes, then keep watching. I'll also be testing out today this Grande Cosmetics tubing mascara, and this one in particular is the Grande Fanatic mascara. This mascara is said to give users 100% more lifted and longer looking lashes, and 98% of users say that they have seen more volume, and they've also seen healthier looking lashes as well. It's infused with the Grande Lash Wide Lash Peptide formulation, so I'll be testing this out later on in the video, and I can't wait to see how it performs. Before we get started though, let's talk about what tubing mascara actually is. Tubing mascara differs from regular mascara in its formulation and application. Instead of painting over your lashes with pigment, tubing mascaras form tiny polymer tubes around each lash, giving the appearance of longer and thicker lashes. These tubes are water resistant, smudge proof, and can be effortlessly removed with just warm water. One of the most significant advantages of tubing mascaras is their longevity. Once applied, the polymer tubes stay intact throughout the day, preventing flaking and smudging, even in humid conditions. This makes tubing mascaras perfect for those long days, special occasions, or even a day at the beach. Another benefit of tubing mascaras is the ease of removal. Traditional mascaras often require makeup removers and vigorous scrubbing to get rid of the product completely. However, tubing mascaras can be easily removed by gently massaging your lashes with just warm water. The tubes slide easily and effortlessly off of your lashes, leaving no residue behind. Now let's talk about how to apply tubing mascara for the best results. Start by curling your lashes using an eyelash curler. This step will help to enhance the length and lift of your lashes. Next, take the tubing mascara wand and wiggle it at the base of your lashes, moving it upwards towards the tips. The unique formulation of tubing mascara coats each lash individually, giving them a more voluminous and defined look. If you want to add even more drama to your lashes, feel free to apply multiple coats. The beauty of tubing mascara is that it doesn't clump, so you can layer them without worrying about the dreaded spider leg effect. So now let's test out the Grande Fanatic Fanning and Curling Mascara for ourselves. This mascara is said to instantly curl your lashes without smudging, clumping, or flaking, and it is said to give you those healthier looking lashes over time. And it's said to have a special grab and lift molded brush, which is designed to reach each and every lash for a more open-eyed and defined lash look that lasts all day. So let's go ahead and test it out for ourselves. So I just picked this up at Ulta. This is the mini-sized version of the Grande Fanatic tubing mascara, and so I can't wait to test it out with you dolls. First impressions, the packaging is absolutely beautiful. I love this kind of Gucci style print, the pink and the swirls, love that. And it does kind of have a metallic container. So it is sealed. Let me go ahead and take the wrapping off. And let's see here. Yes, definitely very beautiful. Love this easy to take with you size, vacation ready for your purse. This should fit perfectly into your makeup bag in your purse on the go. So let's go ahead and see this wand that they said is so amazing. Wow, it definitely is an oversized wand, very large. So let's see how this is going to apply. I have already curled my lashes, and now I'm just going to apply the mascara. So let's see how it works. So far so good. I do have hooded eyes, and this mascara has not transferred into my hooding, which is really great, because if you have hooded eyes like me, does that ever happen to you? But a lot of mascaras will transfer almost immediately into the hooding. So far I'm not seeing that. Now, in terms of the effect of the mascara, it definitely is volumizing, and it definitely is lengthening as well. And I'm very pleasantly surprised to see that it didn't give those spider lashes look, because I did see a lot of pictures online of different tubing mascaras, And a lot of times people would come out looking like they had those spider lashes, which I personally don't want to have. I mean, sure, your lashes are longer, but they just kind of look wonky in my opinion. What do you guys think? I just was not really wanting that look, so this definitely is not giving that look. This is not that spider lash effect. I definitely was not wanting those Tammy Faye lashes. I don't know if you've ever seen. There was a woman, Tammy Faye, and she had very spider-esque lashes. So this is not giving that. It's definitely just extremely volumizing. The first thing that really stands out to me about this mascara is the volume and then the length. So what do you beauties think? Do you see the difference before and after? I definitely do feel like it's made my eyes look more wide awake, and I'm not sure though how long this mini size is going to last, because I do feel like I'm using a lot of product to get the look that I like. So I'm not really sure exactly how long this tube is going to last here, this little tube that I got. So have you beauties tried this mascara yet? There's so many different ones out there. I know I saw one the other day, I believe it was from Blink. So there's a lot of different ones out there to choose from. Yeah, I would say this is definitely amazing. Definitely gave me a look that I love. I definitely see that each lash was coated individually. Each lash is now enhanced and defined and volumized. So this definitely seems amazing. Have you tried it yet yourself? Let me know down below. So to give you a better idea of the difference tubing mascara can make, take a look at my before and after comparison. As you can see, the tubing mascara has visibly lengthened and defined my lashes, creating a more intense and eye-catching look. So say goodbye to smudged mascara and say hello to flawless lashes. So I just wanted to hop on and give a quick wear test. I've actually been wearing this mascara for the past few days, and it truly does all that it says it will do. It doesn't flake, it doesn't wind up transferring or smudging. I've been even to the gym exercising with this mascara on, and it has not smudged. So it definitely would probably be humidity proof for you. I know it was sweat proof for me, so that was really great to find. It also is very easy to remove, so I love that about this mascara as well. So definitely there is a multitude of benefits to this mascara. I love, again, how wide awake it makes you look. It definitely does volumize each lash, so it's super easy to pick up. I did get mine again at Ulta, so you should be able to find it at Ulta. I'll have it linked down below with the shop with YouTube feature, or I'll link it in the comments or in the description, either way. But definitely is a great mascara. Definitely would recommend it. 10 out of 10. I just wanted to hop on though and let you know how this has worked out for me, and it definitely is a good one. Before we wrap up here, a few tips and tricks to make the most out of your tubing mascara experience is to firstly make sure to replace your tubing mascara every 3 to 4 months to maintain its effectiveness. Secondly, avoid pumping the wand in and out of the tube, as this can introduce air. Lastly, if you want to add extra drama to your lashes, you can use a regular volumizing mascara as a base coat before applying your tubing mascara. This will give your lashes an added boost without compromising the benefits of the tubing formula. And there you have it, my guide to tubing mascaras. Whether you're a makeup enthusiast or someone who prefers a more natural look, tubing mascaras are definitely worth a try. With their long-lasting formula, easy removal, and fantastic results, they have quickly become a staple in many beauty routines. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more beauty tips and tricks and product reviews. Let me know in the comments if you've tried tubing mascaras, which one is your favorite, and what your experience has been. Until next time, stay beautiful.